How you doing? We left Rome and now we've ventured to Athens, Greece, where we hear the food is delicious and pigeons. Always with the pigeons. Anyway.
The pigeons are fierce here.
The pigeons are fierce. They are unscared. In any event, we've heard the food is delicious in Greece, and we're gonna. And now the man coughing, and that's okay. That's all right. Emily, tell the audience where we are today.
We are at the bread factory. They have breads. They have like other foods like potatoes, pork chops. You can also get like pastries,
sandwiches. Desserts. Yeah. So we thought, us being a fan of flour, we're big bread fans. We're going to go in there and check it out.
Let's go check it out.
All right, we're on the outside of the bread factory. This place is actually open 24 hours. There's some delicious cakes here.
Here are some of the desserts. I'm actually gonna get this.
Oh, you are you?
Right here.
You're gonna get that cake.
Well, it's a cheesecake.
You're just gonna get the whole cake.
I'm gonna get a slice of it.
All right.
They have gelato here.
Guess I can't
they
stop
got
you.
red velvet.
Yeah.
A milk chocolate one called Lila Paws.
Oh yeah.
Bubblegum, classic bubblegum.
My God.
Something called Bruno.
Have we not had our
And
fill
then
of
they got a
gelato?
chocolate one.
Oh yes.
Vanilla.
Oh yes.
Mango. I think that's a coffee one. And then we got cheesecake one.
Oh, that's over here. So as you come over here, right, Emily, you'll see that places, a little outdoor cafeteria spot to eat.
Yeah.
We're on the side of the street. The street's very busy.
Some of their breads.
Beautiful day here, by the way.
Yeah.
We'll go to the door.
That's
Oh,
the door.
I'm gonna go to the door. So let's head this way. And oh yeah, here's the
No, it's like shots. Chocolate shot.
chocolate
They call
shot.
it shots. It's like a chocolate
Oh yeah.
vanilla like ice cream beverage.
Ooh, you're not a fan of those kind of chocolates, but I am. Oh yeah, like a little mini moon pie.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna grab one of those. I'm gonna try that out.
As I said earlier, they also have food like hamburgers, sauces.
Like a little cafeteria counter.
They have fish. They got like little more potatoes. They have peas.
Chicken.
Chicken down there.
Kebabs over here if you want to get into that.
They got kebabs.
I wonder what that is.
I'm not sure. I think it's like a mix. I don't know what this is.
I might try one of those. Right over here we have lots of good buns and sandwiches. Right there. That's like a chicken nugget sandwich. I'm gonna go for that. I'm gonna try that one. I saw it earlier and I was like, ooh, that piques my interest. Over here we have some Spanish fajitas. I think we're gonna try this over here, like a cheese pie. I'm gonna try that too. Okay, well, we better get to ordering because people here get really patient. All right, we're about halfway through our order. It's kind of chaotic.
There's a lot of people. They're moving fast.
It's like they're angry with us for ordering, but that's okay. This food is great, and we'll get through this, right? So we'll see you on the outside. So like Emily said, we got our food, and it was it was chaotic in there getting it because the food was everywhere, and it was one at a time. But they seemed grouchy at first, but they were kind of pleasant in the end. But once we bought it, they were like, "Okay, you're out of here. Goodbye." So we're gonna take this back to our little casa up the road
And try it all.
Try it all.
So this is our front of our area.
Yep.
We have this creepy elevator. Not creepy, it's just...
Thought we would follow suit on the old, let's see what kind of elevator we have at our Airbnb. So this one is kind of creepy, I have to admit.
Here.
Where the other one in Rome was sort of old and kind of funky. This is kind of scary and dangerous like.
It has a weird drop, so it kind of goes up fast.
Yes, it's like, I don't even know if the door will open.
No.
to our place.
Well, you can see it doesn't actually have a door.
Some sort of butcher house. Oh. That was
It stops suddenly.
That was scary.
And it goes down really fast. So it's not like the other elevator in Rome where it slows.
We're gonna die by elevator.
It suddenly stops.
All right, see you guys outside. Back of the house, on the balcony of the Airbnb that we rented. It's kind of nice. You want to pan around and look at that? There we go. Quiet here. You have no idea that we're outside a busy street. You know, but we got our stuff. Even though, like I said, it was chaotic, we got through it, right?
Yep.
And now we get to try it. I know you're really hungry, so why don't you try yours first? No pigeons here, by the way.
So I have some cheese sticks and like a sausage roll and then a cheese pie. Just like cheese, like a flaky pastry. So I'm gonna try this first.
Is it hot or is it cheesy? Or
It's really good.
is it? Here, why don't you show the camera the?
So you can see the cheese is in there. It's like kind of like a curd cheese
A curd cheese, yeah.
in it, and all around like this flaky croissant pastry.
May I?
Like, careful.
Oh yeah,
Have
I
it
see
over
it.
a plate.
It's like a cream
it's
cheese.
really flaky.
Oh, cheese is hot.
Yeah.
Oh, if you look inside now, you get a really good. Oh my god, that's got to be so fattening. Oh,
It's really good.
that's delicious.
Okay, now next I'm gonna try cheese stick.
Yeah. You know what you can do? You can
It's like a cracker.
dip it in there.
Could
There we go.
get it much, but it's like a cracker with cheese melt. Do you want to try?
Sure. I'm not much of a connoisseur of cheese sticks, but as far as that is concerned, well, that looks good.
Then the last looks like the best, like a sausage, along like hot dog, in rolled up in a bun.
Pig in a blanket. Is that good? That looks really good.
Hot dog's hot.
Flaky. Oh my god, that's good sausage. Simple. It's great about this stuff too. It's like €2, €2, and all that pastry stuff falls off on your arm, so you can pick it up and
But
eat off yourself
really
later.
good.
Yeah.
I enjoy it.
Well, let's.
I have to say, I like it the bread better than the cracker. Like
Yeah.
you know the cheese sticks that are like bread
Yes.
versus the cracker because it's just like mostly a cracker with cheese.
It's more exciting.
Melted.
More dangerous.
But
Here, let's try this. This is like a croissant with like a ham and cheese in it.
looks really
Nice
good.
and simple.
Is it good?
Oh yeah. Hell
Wanna try
yeah.
a little bite?
Oh my god, that's so good.
That is really good.
And now I got the pièce de résistance chicken nugget sandwich loaded with nugget. Simple, €3. Oh my god. You can really taste the nugget. It's got some sort of French dressing in there. How about?
No, I'm good. Thanks though.
Go ahead, eat that. Go ahead. Okay, also too, to wash this down, I got myself a Mythos beer, or Mythos. It's a blonde ale. I guess it was made by a company called Olympiad. It started in 1997. I'm an IPA guy. I kind of like my beers a little heavier. But I will drink lager and pale ales if they're super cold, which this one is. And this one has a cool sort of pop-off lid. See that? So I want to try this out. Oh, kind of. You realize. Oh, well, what do you know? All right, let's try this Mythos. I guess it's like the most drunk beer in Greece. It's pretty refreshing, I have to say. It's kind of like a Heineken. Super cold though. Good. I could have a bunch of these. Oh my gosh. Well, why don't we finish our food and then we'll get back to the dessert.
Desserts.
Right, see you guys in a bit. We're back and we're happy because we're going to have dessert. So this is chocolate cake and that's Oreo cake. You thought it was cheesecake.
It was cheesecake, but this is actually just a cream, like assimilating the filling.
Well, why don't we try it together this time? We'll both take a piece. I'll take my piece. Take yours. All right. Cheers. Oh, we're gonna ding that. Okay. It's good. It's good.
Very good.
It's got a very cookies and cream sort of taste to it. Very Oreo taste. I'm not super, I think it's a little sweet for me. It's definitely no Chuckette cream puffs, but still very good. I'm still drinking this Mythio also.
Right here is like cake, like kind of like an Oreo cake, chocolate cake. How like, you know, there's Oreo mug cakes.
Yeah.
And then Oreo crumble on top, and this is right here. It's a little Oreo with sugar, with the like the white
The dusting.
Dusting
Oh, you're
sugar?
talking about the icing sugar.
icing sugar. Yes.
Sugar. All right. Well, do you want to try this one? Maybe you want to cleanse your palate there for a sec. So while you're doing that, I'm gonna roll this bad boy over, like you said. Oh, it's just like a piece of cake. I'm gonna. There. Oh my God. I'll wait for you though. Now this one is right up my alley.
It looks really
Moist chocolate. Oh. Oh. All right. Well,
Yeah.
whatever. Your hand's like a human fork, right? Here we go. That's good. That is.
So right here they have
That
caramel,
is the shiznit.
and then they have chocolate layered on top, and it's moist. It's creamy.
It's fattening.
It's delicious.
Oh my God. So good. What do you think of the bread factory overall?
It was delicious.
Yeah? I thought it was very delicious. I love that sub. Again, it was a little chaotic. The restaurant sort of made me feel like it was like a burden to buy food from them.
Yeah.
But at the end, once we made the sale, they were happy. And then they told us to get lost. So,
Got chocolate.
what was that, right? Okay. Well, I guess this is the end of our episode. So don't forget to click that thingy at the bottom and subscribe or whatever. And this is only one last thing to do now, Dance. Dance. Dance.